We call this an indigenous art of Filipino. We developed this during the Spanish time. During that time, they prevented the Filipinos to carry weapons. So instead of bringing bolos or this knife, they converted into sticks, and they were hiding during this time when they are practicing their traps. For the Spaniards cannot see what they're doing. They make it into like a dance step, so to cover up. Those were the days that this Arnis or stick fighting emerged. In the modern time, right now in the Philippines, Arnis called it FMA, Filipino Martial Arts, is our national sport. So they are being taught in schools. We are also in the PNP, Philippine National Police. The first two gentlemen on my behind, as you can see, they are preparing. They are going to make a demo for a tournament. Just like what we do in a tournament, they have their battle gear, they have their protective helmets and protective gloves, together with the sticks. When we call this sticks, we call this live sticks. That means no pads at all. These are pure rattan sticks. So they hit hard with each other when they encounter. The winning guy will be who have the best form and hit the best and the hardest.
Oras! Nagatol! Unang labanan! Basta! Laban! Laro kita. Ta! Laban! Okay, taga-oras! Taga-hatol! Ikatlong labanan! Ata! Han! Ito! Hey, ata! Laban! Oh! Ay! Gusto! Gusto! Okay! Aton! Okay!